how can we solve this equation? R is inside the radical here, okay? So in order to get rid of the -3 and isolate the R, we need to do something about the radical. Very good, Sharon, that's right. We need to square it. So if we square a square root, that's going to eliminate because they are inverses of one another. So if we square one side, we need to square the other side. So we're going to square both sides of the equation. 5 squared is 25. So 25 equals, and then R minus 3 is what we have left over. And then we can add 3 to both sides to isolate the R. And we end up with 28. And we end up with R isolated. So 28 equals R. Good job, Timothy. Zero equals R minus 22. Did you subtract 5 or subtract 25? So the 3, you kind of have to think of it this way. If you have the square root of R minus 3, think of the R minus 3 as parentheses, okay? So you can't break apart those parentheses until you've taken care of the radical. And then you can add the 3 and you can, so you can't just like do something, you can't like add 25 to that, right? Because the 3 is inside the radical, the 25 is outside of the radical. Okay, so that's not something that you can do. So that's probably how you got that.